Good morning, students. Till yesterday, we studied some important characteristics of living organism. Can you recall which characteristics we studied? Yes. First is cellular structure, then growth, then respiration, excretion, then we studied responsiveness to stimuli. Okay? Now we are going to study the next important characteristic of living thing, that is reproduction. Every living organism has to reproduce. May be plant or animal, may be unicellular or multicellular. Every living thing reproduces to continue its generation. This is a very important characteristic of living things. Living things produce other living things like themselves. In animal, there are two ways of reproduction. Some animals lay eggs, and from egg young one come out, while some animals give direct birth to the young one. Do you know it? Animals that lay eggs are called oviparous animals, while animals that give direct birth to the animal, their young one, is called viviparous animals. Okay? Bird is a viviparous as it lays the egg. Then here horse give direct birth, so it is a viviparous animal. Plants produce from the seeds stem, leaves, or some of the plants, as we said, seed, they produce from the flowers also. Okay? So, process by which a living thing generates a new living thing like itself is called reproduction or procreation. What it is called as? Procreation. Just see the examples of the various plants and animals. When seeds fall down from the plant, it produces small sapling. You may have seen in the school neem tree. When the seeds fall down, small sapling comes out in the rainy season. It is about many more plants. Rose plant, we cut the stem, and by stem cutting this plant grow. Okay? Unicellular organisms reproduce by cell division, algae. Okay? Yeast by cell division. Some can grow by fragmentation. Some can grow, like fungus can grow by sporogenesis. So in this way, living organisms reproduce. See here in the picture, I had shown you bird is laying the eggs. Bryophyllum, leaf. You know, when the leaf grow and become mature, that leaf on its margin bears the new plant, that is roots come, stem or leaves we find, and we can cut it from there and a new plant grow. Mare, that is a horse, it is producing the young one. See here, the small young one is with it. Rose cutting by means of the stem. So this is the one way of reproduction, and it is the most important characteristic of living thing. Next is a definite lifespan.